Bench testing a Delco Rochester 4-mounting grommet 2 or 3-speed wiper motor. General Motors models 1959 through 62. Frame number 4904635. End cap number 5044492. Serial number 1115-2024, offered by TT Parts Rebuilding. Run-up test. Test number 1, low speed run, then to park position. Test number 2, low speed run to medium speed, then to park position. Test number 3, low speed to medium speed to high speed, then to park position. Test number 4, low speed wash, back to park. Test number 5, medium speed wash, back to park. Test number 6, high speed wash and back to park. Test number 1, low speed run, then to park. Low speed and park. Test number 2, low speed run to medium speed, then to park. Low speed, medium speed, to low, and park. Test number 3, low speed to medium speed, then to high speed, and then to park. Low speed, medium speed, high speed, back to medium, to low, and park. Test number 4, low speed, wash, and back to park. Low speed, to park. Low speed, wash, and park. Test number 5, medium speed wash and back to park. Low speed, medium speed, wash, back to low, and park. Test number 6, high speed wash and back to park. Low speed, medium speed, high speed, wash, can wash, medium speed, wash, low speed, wash, and park.